Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Base. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select gender on Mico. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Mico application. Make sure you are logged into your Mico account. Now tap on the Me option, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on your displayed name. Now tap on the paper and pencil icon. There you can find gender option. Select the gender. Once you are done, tap on the tick icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can select gender on Mico. Thanks for watching Tech Base. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.